welcome back to my channel. I'm Jose, the proud millennial. As many of you know, I moved into a new apartment that requires quite a bit of decorating. It's much bigger than my old place. And if any of you have made a big move like this, you'll understand how difficult it is to pack all of your belongings, bring them over, and then unpack everything, and then see that you need new things because maybe the dimensions are off or it just doesn't fit. Your new apartment or the style is outdated. There are some essentials that I really just didn't have and or needed updating. Before we continue, if you like home decor, interior design, or apartment living, go ahead and subscribe down below. And also, I just love getting to know so many of you on Instagram. I feel like I've come to know so many of you as friends on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me and hit me up in the DMs. I don't know if you've caught on to this, but I am a lover of low budgets. While I do have an expensive taste, I don't like the expensive price tag. So I do quite a bit of hunting for the items that I like, and I wanted to share some of those things with you because I think that that would help your space. A lot of us are probably putting money away for our retirement, putting money away to buy a home, or for any goal that you may have. I think there are many ways that we can get caught into buying things that we don't need just because they're trendy or just because someone told you to buy them. I'm gonna show you a few items that I found this week that will bring lots of style, and they did not break the bank. A big thing that I like to do is look through Instagram on my favorite designer pages just to see what they are into these days. I do have an Architectural Digest subscription that I like to flip through, so I have that. And a big goal of mine is to buy pieces that are timeless, that can kind of go and mix with other styles as they change. First things first, I'm gonna start with my thrift shop finds this week. I have been going to the St. Vincent de Paul thrift shop here in LA. So the St. Vincent de Paul thrift shop is huge. I mean, it's room after room full of furniture and so many items. I think it's well priced, and you will find vintage to newer items. I really feel like I luck out and find something every week. I can't take all the items home, but I would highly recommend it if you live in the LA area. And the first thing that I got for my bedroom, in one of the corners there will be a pendant. I wanted to do some kind of lampshade, and I've seen those like drastic like empire cone lampshades that are kind of vintage looking but also very trendy now, and I knew I could find one of those pieces in the thrift shop. I ended up getting this cone lampshade. It's pretty big and it has this kind of attachment, and I'm trying to use an attachment from IKEA's pendant lighting, and so that this will hang from the ceiling. It has like a leathery finish, and so I'm thinking of either cleaning it up really well or dyeing it a different color, even maybe a matte black. And I think it's so stylish. Like, this is definitely something that you would pay anywhere from $30 to $100. I paid $3.99 for this one. I will be sure to show you the finished product. Might be a little while, so bear with me. And then as we were walking out, my friend pointed out this vase. I just loved the shape. It has like this little, I think a deer or like an antelope. It's not handmade or anything. It looks like it's mass produced, but I'm liking the pink, but it's not gonna fit any of my style. I'm thinking of painting it some kind of rustic neutral color. And I just love that shape, that handle, loving it. This was $20. I've been trying really hard not to just buy a bunch of things at HomeGoods. I bought an awesome rug. It's 100% wool. It's not styled the way I want it yet. It is a bit small for my space, but I'm thinking of doing like a layered look. A lot of people have been doing that layered look. Once that's ready, I will be sure to show you. And I only spent $129 on that rug. Another item I bought is this pillow. I'm really enjoying the neutral fibers of it and these tassels. It has a hint of blue-gray. I'm thinking of styling this on my couch. It is a Tommy Hilfiger pillow, and it's down-filled. This was only $20. I did do an IKEA run this week and I bought a few items. First item I want to highlight are these Linda curtains. I do have some other Linda curtains. They're the 98-inch. And my new place has high ceilings, so this one actually is 118 inches. I think it'll be high enough that it will give the look that I want. And I bought 2 of these. The other item I bought is this Revy mat, which has like that braided look. And this was only $10. I've seen these go for much more at like Target and other places, and I'm really liking this. I've gotten so many compliments on it, and it was literally only $10. Next, I have these Brennus like basket cube things. Before exiting, you should always look at the clearance section. These were in the clearance section. There was like a ton of them, so if you're by the Burbank IKEA, you might go over and still find them. These were only $6.50, and I'll show you what they look like. Once they're built, they look something like this. And I bought 2 of them. I actually think I'm gonna go and get more. And these are gonna be with me for a while. Next we have these Solvent and little outdoor lights. I'm gonna install them soon, but they're solar powered, which is really great. I don't have an outlet out there, and it turns on when it gets dark, but I'm really excited to put these out on my balcony. They're so cute. I really like this look with the lid and the bulb on it. These were, I think, $15. And lastly, I bought a few items for my sink area. I wanted to find some items to ensure that I still have a lot of counter space available. So I'm going to show you my little sink area just so that you can see how you can possibly kind of simplify your sink area and not make it an eyesore. And I kind of just wanted to show you my little sink area. I did not want to take up more space of my countertop to put a drying rack or anything like that. So what I did was get one of these over the sink racks. They're wonderful. I've definitely been putting good use to it. And if you're having maybe guests over, you can always roll it up and put it away. I actually saw a lot of you using these Svem Pig sponges, and you know, they're not your regular sponge. They actually have this white scratchy surface, and the sponge is gray, so it's very aesthetically pleasing. These actually work really well, and these were only $2 for 3 of them. So, you know, if you ever do an IKEA run, get a few of these packs of these and you'll have them for a while. I also got this little brush from IKEA. This was $2. I got this little tray to hold my dish cleaning items, and that was $3. Dish soap and hand soap here. I really enjoy the glass bottles, these little brown ones, because you can refill them and reuse them, just wash them in between, and they just look more stylish. And then I have my little brush for my straws. Well, thank you again for watching. I hope you found some of these items helpful, and maybe you'll go and grab some of them. There are some exciting items coming up. I have my DIY console. It is the next video that I will be putting out. I actually think the handles, the pulls for the cabinets will be delivered today, so I will be getting to work on that. It's almost done, and I hope that you stick around to see that. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Anyways, I will see you soon, and take care.